Hi, hello, and welcome to our channel. I am Jiva Mukesh. In this video, we are diving into the fantastic scenarios based on basic matrix operations. Whether you're just starting with matrices or looking to refresh your skills, you're in the right place. We'll cover all the essential operations like matrix addition, matrix subtraction, and more. Then we will demonstrate how to solve these problems by using the Java programming language. Before we dive into the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to stay updated with more programming tutorials. To watch our previous tutorials, click the link in the description below. Let's dive right into today's topic. Before we dive into the problem, we want to know the concept of matrix and its basic operations. What is matrix? A matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers organized in rows and columns. It can represent data, a system of equations, or a linear transformation. The size or dimension of a matrix is denoted by the number of its rows and columns. Basic matrix operations. Matrix addition. Matrix addition involves adding two matrices of the same size by adding their corresponding elements. The result is a new matrix of the same size, where each element is the sum of the elements from the original matrices in the same position. Matrix subtraction. Matrix subtraction involves subtracting two matrices of the same size by subtracting their corresponding elements. Matrix multiplication. Matrix multiplication involves multiplies corresponding elements of two matrices of the same size. Kronecker product. Kronecker product is an operation that takes two matrices and produces a larger matrix by multiplying each element of the first matrix by the entire second matrix. Matrix transposition. Transposing a matrix involves flipping it over its diagonal, which means swapping its rows with columns. Matrix concatenation. Matrix concatenation refers to joining two or more matrices together. There are two types of concatenation. Horizontal concatenation means placing matrices side by side, provided they have the same number of rows. Vertical concatenation means placing matrices on top of each other, provided they have the same number of columns. Matrix interleaving. Matrix interleaving involves combining two or more matrices by alternating their elements in a specific pattern by rows or columns. Hope you're getting a solid understanding of matrix and its built-in functions. Now, let's take things a step further and put that knowledge to the test by solving the fantastic scenarios related to basic matrix operations. Exploring fantastic scenarios related to basic matrix operations. Add the two matrices. Subtract the two matrices. Multiply the two matrices. Kronecker product of two matrices. Transpose the matrix. Concatenate the two matrices. Interleaving the two matrices. Now let's take the time to solve these problems and demonstrate one by one by applying Java code. that's all for today. I hope you guys understood today's topic well. If you have any queries or doubts, please mention them in the comments below, and I will be happy to help. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to stay updated with more programming tutorials. See you in the next video.